Sparky,
and this
I already roasted it. Hey,
now I'm saying fuck yeah. What's good, y'all? Oh, fuck. God damn it! Don't you just hate it when the tree falls out? That's a big ass pet peeve of mine. When it just falls out, I'm like, God damn it! What a waste.
I found the full gram.
Hey, you scared it?
I fucking lost it.
Welcome back, everybody. In the cut. You think it's cool?
In the cut looks a little too mean.
It's cool. So today we're gonna be talking about a special little topic. You know, I've been wanting to share some information because times are changing. So pretty much how to make money in 2019, and these are the ways that I know how to make money without having a job. What should we name that title?
So you could do your perspective of not having a job while getting money, and I have a job, so we can do two different perspectives into one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Cool. So I've had a job before in the past, but before that, make sure you guys hit us with the follow on Twitter and Instagram. It's gonna be down in the description.
Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share with your folks.
with your folks. With your folks. Like, hey, what's about the guy smoking weed?
Share with your peers.
18 and up.
18 and up.
This is 18 and up, educational purposes only, especially today. We're going to spit some facts, especially for those people that are coming up. If you guys are watching this, make sure you guys are 18, but there's a lot of people that
if you're watching, if you're 18, if you're 21, grab your utensils, roll up, smoke with the boys, have a little mukbang. A smoke bong.
Okay. But anyways, before this is like this is another podcast. So again, the video, this is how to make money without a job in 2019. That's actually a good title because I know a lot of people are gonna be like, how to make money without a job.
2019 going into 2020,
But bro, it's just crazy. It blows my mind the fact that you can make a decent living, even more than a 9 to 5, just by hustling. So I got a couple things in my head that I'm gonna do. But for example, the very first thing is starting up a YouTube channel.
There you go.
Starting up a YouTube channel. I started up YouTube because it was fun. For me, this shit was fun. I started off playing games, uploading video games and stuff like that. I'll upload show videos like that I used to do I started back in like 2012, 2011. This is a brand new channel in 2019.
Yeah.
Especially now that, everything is legalized here in Cali. We're both 23, we're of age and shit, so we're able to just kick it outside the crib too. So, we're just kicking it. But YouTube is a great way because you could get fucking, we're able to get we're able to make ad money or ad revenue off like advertisements, off like the videos. You're able to get sponsorships. You're able to get sponsorships, brands, stuff like that, paying you to show products and stuff like that. And sometimes some companies will pay a fat dollar, bro.
For real.
They were real
for just to sponsor stuff and just I had smoke in my mouth. I cannot speak. No, for you to just sponsor stuff, just shout them out. They'll just give you a percentage of their cash, like whatever revenue they produce. I don't know, it's crazy. It's lit, bro.
It's crazy, huh?
That lady was just like,
she was just like, fucking damn potheads.
She's like, come here, Rico.
Fucking Rico, huh?
Rico. That's the name of my neighbor's dog. Bro.
That's a bug, huh?
Yeah.
That shit's funny. That's a bug.
Rico.
We're smoking again some more cookies.
Yo.
We've been having cookies for a long time.
Yeah, bro. We're in the Bay, It's only right that we smoking the Cali gas. You know what it
Cali
is?
fucking gas. Shit. Bro, the other day I was driving to the spot. And I fucking almost ran over 2 dogs, bro. My passenger had no seatbelt, so they kind of hit the fucking they hit the fucking dashboard. But it was like on a 20, like on a 10. It was in the neighborhood, so I was hitting like 10, 15. Bro, and I was going slow, bro.
Damn, that's crazy.
And then the kids were like, "Oh fuck, 2 fucking dogs, man, would have killed them."
He just ran on the street.
If it was a freeway,
it would have been.
Shit, I'd rather survive myself.
Facts than a dog. No, to be honest, bro, I was driving back from work.
But if it was a street, then fucking
like half the year last year, I was driving back from work. I was driving back from work, and then there was a dog on the 101, bro. And then no one stopped, and then like it was just hella scared. The dog was tripping out, it was running against the wall, and I was like, oh shit, what the fuck? And I ended up stopping, slowing traffic down a little bit.
Yeah.
But obviously savages on the other side, they're like, they don't
give a fuck.
Yeah. And I was like, what the fuck? And I tried to open my door so the dog could if anything hop in and some shit,
If it was smart enough, let's get it. We're giving our own kind rides.
If it was smart enough, but no, bro.
Doing good deeds.
I'm sure that dog got ran over or something. I was like, you know what? I'm out. I just left. I'm like, fuck it, bro.
Dude,
I did my best.
Another way to make money is another simple way of making money. Especially you could honestly, these are fucking like all age jobs. You literally just, as long as you're able to like just access the internet, you could open up an eBay account. And if like, let's say you have like even calculators, you have like, you know, stuff around your house that you think are worth something, but you don't need, you know, even if they have like a $10, $15 tag, somebody on the internet will buy that shit. So dude, you could literally, like right now, what I'm doing is I have like 2 other cameras that I do not use for shit. I'm going to clean them up. You know, I'm going to put them on eBay. I'm going to sell them. I'm going to make a cool buck. You know, for example, I have a bunch of toys, bro. My brother's toys, like his wrestling figures.
His house is full of toys. Like,
literally, I'm going to just sell them all on eBay.
Yeah, we used to ask him back in the day when we were younger. We used to ask him, "Hey, bring out this so we can play with it." Nah, my grandma's sleeping.
Dude, my grandma used to live with us. He's like, and she was sometimes hella strict.
My boy did not like sharing. That shit was the gas. Man, good times though, bro. Good time.
I was like, fuck, my grandma's sleeping. And then until I was like, you know what? That's a fire excuse. My grandma's sleeping. And then everybody was like, oh, this was grandma sleeping. He can't.
That was the gas.
God damn.
But yeah, he's like I said, he has hella stuff. Like, you know, like just sell it. Like he said, just sell it on eBay. You know, Craigslist. You know, there's hella
Craigslist
ads,
too.
You know,
there's an app called Let It Go or some shit.
Oh yeah, Let It Go or Let It Go.
Let It Go, dude. You could honestly sell anything around your house. Anything.
Yep.
There's more ways too, especially
even weed.
Dude, even making videos, smoking trees on the internet, chilling. So it's cool, you know, it's chilling. Yeah. What was good, bro? What's a good way?
Oh yeah, so there's another way, you know, there's just the civil way, you know, just 9 to 5, you know.
Yeah, the 9 to 5.
It's tiring. That's what I'm doing right now, you know, but we're also like making movies on the side, you know.
Yeah.
But
that's why we're doing this.
Yeah, you know, it's a little side job. But on the 9 to 5, you know, like I work that Monday to Friday, even Saturdays and Sundays, you know, sometimes, you know, I only get like 1 day off, 2 days off if I want to take the
grind.
No. But overall, it does pay my rent. It does pay what I got, like food and, you know,
bills,
you know. But shit, you know, I don't want to do that the rest of my life. You know, I want to like experience.
That's why we're like trying to like invest and we're trying to build assets and shit. Because in reality, yeah, you guys are probably watching this as like, oh, these guys are just making weed videos again, late and shit. But no, this is technically we're building an asset. Yeah. Because even though we might not be able to monetize this channel, you know, because it's all about like fucking weed and shit.
But it's educational purpose only.
It's education. We're gonna spit our facts. You know, it's like, you know, we're going through life, we're growing up. So I just kind of want to just talk about shit sometimes, you know. I want to share shit, you know, on the internet.
Want to enlighten the youth, you know what it is?
Yeah.
You know, it's minded. We should get minded right here. Someone, you know.
Minded on the back of your head. Damn, he'd be fun. We have a boy where he's like extremely motivated and he reads like a shit ton of books every month and shit. And he has like his own podcast and a podcast. He has his own podcast. We have a podcast. This is our podcast.
You know, that's lit, bro. Like, I fuck with him. He has good vibes, good energy. You know, he
definitely, bro.
He enlightens you, bro. You could just be talking to him about something funny. You know, he's like, oh yeah.
When I was in the gym with him, that fella motivated me. I don't know why.
He's motivated, you know.
That's some fire, huh?
Some Cali gas.
You said you're gonna re-up on Tuesday?
Yeah,
I'm gonna go buy some more supplies.
I'm gonna go buy some more supplies.
We can do another haul too. Yeah, if you're down.
I want to get some edibles too. So if you don't want to do them, I'll take a bite.
I'm down. If anything, you should take a video of you eating one, and then once it kind of hits, you pull up already peeling lit. If that makes sense.
Oh, okay.
Because you know, like that shit kind of takes forever to fucking kick in.
Yeah. Yeah. Also, so I found out how to properly eat edibles. Like as a kid back in the day, I used to just eat all of it. You know, just take like a couple bites. Bro,
I have a crazy story. I'm gonna say that for another video. Dude. Let's just say I fucking took an edible and I pretty much passed out, bro. I was like 100 pounds. Fuck, god damn it. It's such a funny story. I remember that day, bro. And it's funny because we had a dance that day and I woke up like at 11 and I hit everybody up. I was like, hey, where y'all at? And yeah, we already went. I was like, what the fuck?
Oh yeah, dude. That day we took that. Oh yeah. I didn't even shower, bro. I just woke up. Everyone's like, "We leaving." Oh, just put something on. Dude, I'm like, "What the?"
Yeah, that was my first time eating edible, and I was like, I was on an empty stomach. I took it like in the morning, like literally before you could say brunch, and it was during the morning. Empty stomach. I was like 100. I was like 100, 110 pounds. I was scrawny. I didn't even smoke at all. You know, I mean, I probably did, but not a lot. Yeah. And then I was just like,
we're starting, bro, and we're like, oh yeah, let's try an edible.
Yeah, and we're like during school, fuck it, and we got smacked, bro. I got smacked, but you know what? we're just gonna talk about this a different video, but that's definitely a good story,
bro. And speaking about that day, I got Berg. Me and Berg were on the bus, so I got proof. We're going up for the next video. We're going up on the bus on the fucking bridge, and I started laughing like, you know. Berg's like, what the fuck, like the edible head or some shit.
Dude, I think, and then fucking Groblo and Osk, they fucking, I think they did school. I think Osk, I think one of them did. He's like, they're like, damn, I'm too late. I just went home.
Fuck that shit. Go home.
That day was crazy, you know. It was on school and shit. It was embarrassing, but
it was lit, bro. We had some great ass time.
That shit was funny. Yeah, and then I ended up getting suspended for 2 days and shit.
Why? Because you were lit?
Because I had like crumbs and shit on my in my backpack and shit. And the cops fucking came and shit. Because they're like, damn, what happened to this nigga? You know how the ambulance comes and shit like that? Yeah, and then I had all my shit up, my class and shit. Cops came.
I would have been like, yeah, bro, I just ate a brownie at brunch and like,
yeah,
from the cafeteria.
Dude, but I was too lit, bro.
I was like, they probably laced me or
oh
some
my
shit,
god,
you know?
that shit's gas. So
they do a full-on investigation, huh?
Yeah. So definitely story time for that. It's gonna be great. We have so many stories. Again, there's a time where some hookers, they were transsexual hookers. They chased us, bro.
Yeah.
So it's like fucking grown ass men chasing us.
Dressed up as girls. I was like, what?
Fuck.
Bro, I've never ran that fast in my life.
Me either. And we were like, bro, we were like 13, 14, bro.
And
so we were little.
Yeah, I was a fat kid.
Dude, we were little.
Fat, but
so we were scared, bro. We don't know what the hell was going on. You know, we were confused and shit. So, but you ran, but
damn, bro, that was crazy, crazy times, bro.
That's just the gas. Story time coming up.
That's gonna be lit. Next time, be like, so you wanna,
so you wanna make money, eh?
So you wanna do story time, eh? Just start everything with so you wanna. You know?
So you wanna
how to say story time or some shit, you know? That's lit. How to say story time.
That's just the gas. More ways to make money as well. People say you have to really think about it, you really have to want it, and you really just have to work hard. You know what they say, bro? Like how I was feeling lately, I was like, bro, honestly, they say before the breakthrough, it's always a struggle. Like, you know, you're always
for
like,
real,
fuck.
bro.
And right now, I'm just like, that's what I feel like. I'm like, damn, right now I'm struggling out of every. But then I'm like, bro, you know,
is it just the world doing its part? You know, just you gotta live through it in order, you know.
They say when you're struggling the hardest, the breakthrough is coming up next. You know, as in like it's like you hit. It's like not like rock bottom, but it's like you're fucking gonna just shoot up and shit.
You ever ask yourself like, bro, why? Is it like, when am I gonna get my breakthrough? Like I always ask myself, bro, like when is that day coming?
And then I think about it, I'm like, bro,
you gotta be patient.
That's crazy how like life is, like how life is happening, how just like the position I'm at. I feel like I'm blessed. You really do have to be grateful though. Yeah, everyone, if you're watching this video, you guys gotta be grateful, man, because you guys have a tablet, a phone. You guys are watching this somehow. You guys got Wi-Fi, fucking internet. You guys got a roof. That means you guys got a roof. That means you guys got clothes. That means you guys got food. Yeah. Just by watching this video, I know you guys are cool. You guys are saying shit. This is the hot box session of the video. Ignore the car in the background, but session. What the fuck? Fucking a scale of 1 to 2. How lit are you?
Bro, I'm a 1.87.
1.87? Dude, I'm like at 1.79 or some shit.
Ooh.
I'm fucking lit.
Yeah, bro, I'm fucking lit. I'm probably after this roach, I'm gonna be at a 2 for sure.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I'm gonna take shit. You see that? I was like,
I was passing it, but then I was like, let me hit it one more time.
It was like, open.
Yeah, we'll put this shit down real quick.
Yeah. We should do a. What you're thinking when you're smoking through a sesh, like what goes through your head, like, brother, taking hella days, like you passed.
Dude, oh, you're right.
You know,
we could literally just make faces like that, and then we could just record it. You know, we could go to my pad or some shit, and just like, hey, this and that, blah 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 blah. You could just say, all right, that's cool now.
Yeah, like what do you think when you're bored? You know, like, oh shit. Yeah, bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, no, we should definitely do a skit about that. Let us know if you guys would like to see anything, man. We definitely still have to do how to roll a blunt, how to roll the perfect joint. We still got to do a lot. Oh, the rose blunt. The rose blunt.
Look, it's coming.
The rose blunt.
Give it a couple more months. Right there. They're gonna get bigger. No, they're gonna get.
Look, let me show you guys. You guys see that right there? We're gonna take one of those off right there, and we're literally gonna roll it up. Also, you guys, another way to make money without having a job as well is you guys could do DoorDash, Postmates. That's if you guys have a license. I mean, if you guys have a car.
Definitely. You know? And one big tip that I learned, because I was gonna do DoorDash, but I just need to get my license back, I just need to get my license back. Just keep your your receipts and everything, bro. Like your gas mileage and all that. Like keep track of that. Like that's what I learned. Like that's what you and Burke were telling me, no, or some shit.
Yeah, I mean nowadays they have like calculators to keep track and shit.
Yeah.
But no, definitely it's cool. Depending where you go do your taxes, because some people do their taxes on TurboTax. You know, they do their own taxes. So you got to be really smart. But if you go with someone else, you could ask them. You know, you could talk to them about it and shit. They'll help you out and shit.
Yeah.
But definitely that's a good way. I'm telling you guys, just being like straight hustler, man. You know.
Yeah, bro.
Also,
you gotta have that mindset.
Yeah, the mindset. You gotta keep striving. You gotta keep going. That motivation.
Yeah, it's all gonna be worth it at the end of the day. So you know.
Yeah, no, definitely.
You know, even if it doesn't seem like it at the moment, you know, a couple days on.
Hell yeah. Good. Also, if you guys have an app. If you guys have like an iPhone, Android, anything that can download apps and shit, which almost every phone can now. Fucking can't you? Fuck yeah. Fucking Shopify. Shopify is, again, you could go to like the Dollar Tree, you buy stuff in large quantities, like let's say you buy bottles for like 7 cents each, but you buy like 200 of them, and then Shastas, and then you fucking resell them for like $5 each, you know.
Ooh, yeah.
Shipping and handling, you know. Or maybe you could even sell, you could even sell them like $10. So let's say you bought something that costs like $1 or $2 to make and for you to get, because you bought such a huge amount, sell it for like $10-15. Dude, you're just tripling, quadrupling the money right there. Even more too. That's how a lot of people. But the thing is, you have to find the perfect item. I'm cool with that.
Yeah, no, man.
God damn. I was like, damn. Yeah, so that's also a great way, you know. And then what else? Stocks, but stocks is really difficult. Stocks is something that is it's pretty fucking difficult to get into. Yeah, but definitely, you know, one website I recommend that it's really easy to use. I've seen people actually win money, double their money, you know. I seen someone drop $10,000 on a stock. They waited a little bit or whatever, and then I think they had a financial advisor, or I forgot who. It was one of his boys. Oh shit! My video is done rendering. Fuck yeah! If you guys want to go watch the previous video on how the Avengers defeated Thanos. Fuck yeah! Thanos. Fucking what was I saying? Yeah. So I seen someone drop 10,000, and then when they pulled it out, I think a couple months then it was 20,000.
Damn, that's lit.
That's lit, bro.
Yeah.
So etrade.com, there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube. You just really have to just pay attention, just learn. You could learn everything on YouTube, bro. On the internet, it's all there. So take advantage before they take that shit away, because sooner or later, you know, we got fucking Article 13, and then we got that other bullshit. I forgot what was that shit called. There was something that was supposed to remove or charge the internet, and both of them passed. Both laws passed or whatever. The Article 13, which is fucking
you still have to pay for the internet? That's crazy.
Yeah, I mean we already do, but even more, bro. Even more. You know, it's like subscriptions. Like, you know how like you have HBO, Showtime, Encore. I don't think people even watch Encore anymore. Fucking certain channels. Yeah. And you can't have all of them. Yeah. You have to. So it's like YouTube, this and that. I'm like, well, fuck them. You know, I'm only gonna be on the same websites and shit. Yeah. I just have to, I guess, stop watching porn. I guess, you know. Fuck it.
You're gonna have to start screen recording.
Yeah. Go back to Playboy magazines and shit. Start wanking it. And then
liquor stores just still be selling that shit.
That's cool, yeah. Fuck it. Prehistoric age, let's get it. And then also, Article 13 is just like with copyright on steroids. So they're gonna copyright all the memes and hella shit, bro. So it's gonna fucking change the internet. You know, but who knows? Damn. When it happens, who knows? Like, eventually, damn, I don't know. Damn, that shit's crazy. That's what I'm saying. You guys take advantage.
I didn't even know that, bro. You know how insane that sounds? Like, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, those are laws that they pass and shit.
Like copywriting that.
Yeah, if you drop, like, for example, show like Coca-Cola, that video gets taken down or some shit. I think that's how it. But I heard it's just really bad. They showed a picture where like almost all the pictures and everything on YouTube was gone and shit. It was just big companies that owned all their shit. And I was like, damn. Nowadays, everything you use, bro, is owned by something. This right here, bro, we wouldn't be able to wear these. Our fucking shirts. We have to be butt-ass naked.
Shout out the vendor at the game. Got this for $5. $5. You know, that shit's fresh, bro. Makes me look wetter. Hella white. You know, the cops come and be like, hello, fellow citizen. You know what I mean? You know.
Anyways, everybody, Make sure you guys leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Click on that bell so you guys get notified every time we upload. Let us know, you know, if you guys want to see maybe like a future Q&A, just request anything, whatever you guys want to see. Even the loud challenge. We're gonna do the loud challenge. The loud challenge. We're gonna do the loud challenge.
Clutch.
So just leave them in the comments. You already know. Go check out the rest of the videos we have. And if you guys want to send some stuff in, anything like that, just let us know.
We should open a PO box.
A PO box. I'd be sick on later on and shit. Yeah. So, and like always, everybody in the cut. And yeah.